So more dynamic content in PowerPoint, starting with a picture background. Right click on your image, go to Format Background, go to Picture or Texture Fill, go to File and select the picture that you'd like to have as a background image. Here we have Gene Wilder from Young Frankenstein. That's quite black and white, so I'm just going to tone it down a little by going to the transparency slider there on the right, and I can make that as transparent or as in your face as you want. So next, let's have a look at where to put a logo. And Cardiff University recommends that if you're going to use their logo, you put it at the top in the middle, like this. Maybe make it a bit smaller than that. So top and middle, or preferably top left-hand corner of your document. And if you want to add a caption underneath an image, you just draw a text box, sweep across the length of the image, choose a plain font style like Calibri or Arial. Always have figure 1, figure 2, whatever, in chronological order underneath your images. Put that at about size 8 or 9 in the centre of your text box and push it up underneath the image like that. That image and that logo are not and that caption are not related in any way. So let's find a picture of a pasty and move that caption by dragging and dropping underneath like so. Just going to widen that text box so it's the same width as the image. And to add a border, if I just move this over here for now, I just click on the image, go to Format, Picture Border, pick a colour, and then I pick the width of the border that I want. That's quite a chunky one. And I'm just going to move my caption back directly underneath that image. To make your content flow, you might want to consider doing an infographic. This is where you get an image and you take bullet points, key points, rather than big chunks of text. And you combine them to make an image like the one that I'm putting on screen now, the one I put on just now, and another one I'm just going to stick in the middle there. You might want to pause the film here for a couple of seconds just to have a look at how these are made. Because they're not, you can make these in PowerPoint. And the information is clear, it's in a logical order, and it flows well like this. If I minimize this, you'll see that I'm on a website called PictoChart, which you can sign up to free of charge to make your own infographics. It has a catalogue of infographics that other people have made. Here's one I made about how students were using learning technology in School of Healthcare Sciences. It's quite simple, but the information flows. It's very visual. It's only got the key points. Here's the address of the website, and you might want to try that rather than using PowerPoint.